water, but the water is represented by this the clay. So that building is called the Hojo, the place where the monk practice meditation. So when they practice meditation, they look this side, right? They look this side. So if the garden is very if there are many the flowers and trees in the garden, they cannot concentrate, right?
Mm-hmm.
So the Zen temple always has
Yeah.
only dry landscape garden for meditation.
Awesome.
It symbolizes the if you look up from that side, it's
Super tranquil. That's what we call serenity in formal English.
serenity, yes, serenity.
Yeah, serenity.
Serenity.
Cultivating serenity is possible even during times of crisis.
So I think you will you will think a little bit strange because here this is the temple, but why we have a shrine? But when the Buddhism was introduced to Japan in 6th century, after the Shinto and Buddhism were coexist together. So sometimes the shrine and temples on the same.
Here we go, crossing the streets. Yeah. Awesome. Yeah, it gets very hot. Somehow still.
Very strange.
Yes, in the end of September.
Yes, very strange.
Approaching October. Yeah. That's just 神様が怒ってるのせいですかな、多分。まあ。今向こうっている路線は南と北と西どちらですか？
I don't know which direction, but we are heading to Tochurch Temple now.
Tochurch Temple.
Tochurch Temple. Yeah, right hand side.
The map should have it.
Yeah, Tochurch. Second one is Tochurch Temple. So we are heading to Tochurch Temple.
Well, according to the map, we should be heading.
Tochurch, right?
Yeah, northeast. Yes, northeast, because you see, north, south, east, west. Hopefully I'm right about that. Yeah. Jesus.
You see that building? That building?
Which building?
Yeah, Gion.
Gion. Oh.
That building is the Pachinko Palace. You know Pachinko Palace?
Pachinko is the casino.
Pachinko is the
Casino.
Like a use the game. Yes. Yeah. The flip the ball and then so that the ball up to top and then sometimes it goes to the people and they get numbers. In Japan, gamble is not allowed.
So they buy the pachinko and then they earn it and exchange that for money. It's still gambling.
Yes. So when they receive the lots of balls.
Hey, what's up again, guys? I just said my sayonara to the tour leader, and she dropped me off at this particular mall, so I'm just gonna grab some food. Probably in the meantime, refreshments, yes. So let's see what we have here. That's no, that's not the restaurant. 営業中. It's close to my hotel, in fact. Let's see what they have. Seto. Osama Seto. Okosama lunch. Naka. We got plenty of choices. I'm not sure what to eat yet, so I'm just gonna take a look at this wide range of restaurants first. What's this one? Sasae-san. Sasae-san.この辺では結構たくさんラーメン屋がいますね。まあお弁当、これでいいのでしょうか。Okay, let's get this one. お弁当。